Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. After viewing this movie, you will never part with your SH.2 tokens. Modern Shiba Inu headlines. Due to the phenomenal 45 million% increase in value of the Shiba Inu meme token last year, it is safe to say that this cryptocurrency is among the most followed in the world. Shiba has been clumsy ever since. Investors are questioning whether it can regain its initial impetus after falling 70% this year. Shiba Inu is going to provide more now than it did when it was at the peak of its popularity. The cryptocurrency is developing a Layer 2 scaling solution and is making progress in the metaverse. After watching this movie, you will never sell your SHIB tokens again. Modern Shiba Inu headlines. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get the video started. The Shiba Inu was developed as a test subject for the concept of decentralized spontaneous community building as stated in its white paper. That objective has been achieved thus far. An online community known as the Shib Army has been instrumental in the token's success, rallying support for it and driving its price up. Tokens like these function on the Ethereum network. You have the option to invest in Shiba Inu, stake your tokens for passive income, or utilize them at a select few merchants. In comparison to its earlier iterations, Shiba Inu is rapidly improving as a cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu, a Layer 2 scaling solution, is being developed by it. There is no official release date yet because developers, however, transaction speeds and costs should improve with the implementation of Layer 2. Users will greatly benefit from that. Additionally, Shiba Inus have been working on a metaverse. With the intention of constructing a whole virtual town, this offers pieces of land for sale. Shiba Inu plans to sell over 100,000 lots in the future. In its first stage, it has made approximately 32,000 plots available. Compared to its massive gains in 2021, Shiba Inu will be much stronger once Shiba Inu and the Metaverse project are completely operational. Unfortunately, not even these initiatives make Shiba Inu more noticeable. Thus, it doesn't seem like this cryptocurrency has much of a chance to take off. The 549 trillion Shiba Inu tokens already in circulation are a major issue. Therefore, Shiba Inu's market cap would reach $549 trillion, an astronomical leap from its current fraction of a cent level. Even stable firms like Apple and the entire cryptocurrency industry are lower than that. Nothing, not even Shiba Inu's best burn attempts, can fix this. A lot of people in the know have tried to guess why Shiba Inus have become so popular, but no one has come up with a satisfactory explanation. Some think that Shiba Inu's blockchain technology outperformed its rivals, providing more security and faster transaction speeds. Some have speculated that the widespread interest in meme currencies at the time was to blame for the cryptocurrency's meteoric rise to prominence, but no one knows for sure. We only know that Shiba Inu had a brief but remarkable run and that its impact will endure well beyond its unavoidable end. In 2022, Shiba Inu has been marked by consistent declines following the trend of the market for digital assets. The SH community continued to wager that the token will finish the year strongly, despite the lack of any immediate indications of a potential bullish trigger. By the end of 2022, according to the SH community on CoinMarketCap, the token would have increased in value by 17.53% from its publishing price, reaching an average of $0.000011 USD. A total of 2,924 members used the price estimate tool to vote for the estimates as reported by Finbold on November 12. It is worth mentioning that the community's bet lines up with SH's growing number of holders, which suggests that investors still have faith in the token's potential for further gains and a return to its 2021 highs. The number of SHib holders has been rising steadily. As of November 11, there were 1,243,497. The number of holders has increased by 3,225 in the past 3 months, or 3%. Once again, the technical analysis of SHib is pessimistic. The FTX crypto exchange liquidity crisis is starting to show its consequences on the decentralized finance token. Oscillators are neutral at 9 on the daily gauges, moving averages recommend a strong sell at 13 and a technical alignment summary indicates a sell at 14. Meanwhile, Shib has maintained its downward trend over the past week, falling more than 23% in value to $0.000096 USD. Gains of less than 1% have been achieved by the asset. An important development following Elon Musk's purchase of Twitter was the recent comfort felt by Shib. Notably, DOC-themed cryptocurrencies like Shib and Dogecoin had a brief surge in value due to Musk's acquisition of Twitter. It seems like Shib is still well liked among traders. Take crypto.com as an example. It has come to light that their reserve assets, which total $2.9 billion, consist of about 20% Shib. Significantly, the platform made the data public in the midst of mounting demands that crypto firms provide evidence of reserves in response to FTX's liquidity crisis. In sum, the asset's potential for Shib to generate substantial profits is highly dependent on the overall market price trajectory of cryptocurrencies. Hundreds of billions of tokens are being moved by wealthy Shiba Inu investors because to the market volatility. Shiba Inu burn project Shiba Play states that crypto whales moved 877 billion Shib tokens worth $7.8 million in a series of transactions, citing data from the Ethereum analytics tool Etherscan. On November 2nd, at a price of $0.000013 USD, the first transfer of 202,438,224,930 Shib was executed. At the time, Shib was the 14th biggest cryptocurrency asset by market capitalization. The second deal occurred on November 6 when the digital currency hit an intraday high of $0.000013 USD, and 190 billion USD were sent to crypto exchange Crypto.com. The biggest of the three transactions occurred on November 7, when Shib was trading at an intraday high of $0.000012 USD, and it was started by wallets from Binance Crypto Exchange. Among the tokens, the whale transferred 485,794,498,147 to its wallet. Since then, Shiba Inu has fallen victim to the general decline in cryptocurrency markets. Shib's price has dropped 12.73% in the past 24 hours, to $0.000010 USD. Problems at cryptocurrency exchange FTX have persisted throughout the market slump, and the exchange has already reached a preliminary deal with Binance to acquire FTX.com. In the wake of reports of liquidity problems at FTX, the FTT token has lost more than 68% of its value, and the native token of the exchange is now trading at $4.79, a decrease of 93% from its peak. In addition to the Shiba Swap decentralized exchange, the Shiba Shi non-fungible tokens and the forthcoming Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain, developers also released a number of other tokens including the Bone Shiba Swap token. As of October 31, 2022, the price of Bones had fallen 14% in the previous month following a successful August when many exchanges featured the governance token. Known as the Shib, users can trade their Shib tokens for other cryptocurrencies on the Shiba Swap decentralized exchange, which was created in July 2021 by the Shiba Inu developers. A fork of the Sushi Swap DEX, Shiba Swap included new native tokens, a new fee structure and new incentives. Tokens based on the ERC20 standard power both Shiba Swap